I'm here today to introduce you to the ET Starship. I affectionately call this the ET Phone Home 1, and this is Mark IV. This is the fourth rendition of this kit. This is the latter part of 2020, and I've remastered everything. Alright, first let me take you through the standard pieces. There's been a few changes, and then I'll take you into the new parts. So each of the 9 engine bells are cast with a hollow cup. This allows for easier lighting. They're all remastered. The dome is nice and fresh, totally remastered. Beautiful piece. The ring, also remastered. All these holes are nice and fresh and crisp. It's cast as hollow as possible. This needs to be a really strong piece, but you've got access inside here for electronics, circuit boards. If you haven't seen it yet, Lou has done a great tutorial or build-up video on this kit. Okay, so then you've got your bottom base pan. What's new about this engine bell is there are now laser-cut acrylic tinted blue parts. Can't do it with one hand, but well, maybe I can. Yeah, they fit right inside those holes there. If you want to light those up with LEDs or fiber optic. Also, these are new. These are the new ramps. In the old days, I would include a piece of screen to use as your ramps. Now I've got these. They're laser etched. And what they look like, when you spread on a little bit of black acrylic, rub it in, rub it off, you end up with this fine grid work. You've got laser cut screens and laser cut rings that stack onto each engine bell. So if you're going to light this up, you've got all that extra detail. This is the standard landing gear assemblies. Really exciting new feature are these 3D printed ET figures. I don't know if I can capture these guys very well, but these are SLA printed on my Moai. And they have different poses. These guys are like looking in different directions. Their arms are different. Sometimes their arms are up, their arms are down. But look at the detail on these guys. Absolutely astonishing. So that comes with each Mark IV. Everything now is laser cut in ABS plastic. All of these are the arm assemblies. There's a lot of pieces that go onto each of those engine bells that mounts it. And they're all cut in ABS plastic, very strong. And I don't think I've ever shown this one. This is the ring, a laser cut piece of acrylic that lands on top of your basin to give you that lip. This is ET Mark III, and you can see that silver lip right there. That's that piece of acrylic. The top assembly is now hollow cast to allow lighting. I didn't do this on my sample buildup, but these are hollow now, so you can sit there and you can put in some LEDs, and your assembly is a little more refined on this antenna. See if I can bring this out. So this piece sits on top. This slides down and rests here, and then this little guy, I think I'm actually in future kits I'll be providing that as a 3D printed part. That sits on top of this, and then the rest is just all plastrucked rods and pieces that detail the rest of those supports. To get this dome chrome nowadays, I would recommend 2 paints, either Alclad done properly or a Lumiluster. In case you're wondering about the strength of this dome, it's fairly lightweight, but it's extremely strong. I can stand on this guy and not worry about cracking it. This is because I laminate 2 layers of fiberglass in between those layers of urethane. So it's very strong, very detailed, and hollow for you to install a fiber optic or LEDs. So that is the ET ship Mark IV, now available. The price is the same as it was 7 years ago. I haven't changed the price. You get all these extra added pieces free of charge. Everything's fresh and remastered. And that is my introduction video to ET Mark IV. This is the ET Mark III that I built. Oh gosh, this must be about 5 years ago. I apologize for all the dust that's on that guy, but it's fairly intact. A few of the parts have knocked off from the antenna. I will link in this video description the video tutorial that shows me building Mark III top to bottom. And I will also link a video on Alumoluster, which I think I would recommend highly for painting this dome. I will be filming a tutorial on painting this guy with Alumoluster and achieving the different levels of brightness. There's a dull ring and another dull section. I will be showing you how to do that. Fairly easy. If you'd like to see that tutorial, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in a future video. Thanks for watching.